Hello everyone, my name is Hope and I am going to talk about the Facebook Watch Party and run you through exactly how to use that on Facebook. So if you go up to What's on Your Mind and you click on the three little dots on the right side, you have the option to start a watch party. So if you click on that, this gives you a quick little overview so you can watch, talk, and react to the same videos at the same time during the watch party. So the cool thing is you can add all sorts of different segments of videos to your watch party in whatever order or sequence you prefer. And you can invite friends from all over the country, all over the world that may be in different time zones. And you can watch the party live together, or the video, and you can comment on it as well. So you can talk back and forth with your friends while you're watching the video, whatever it may be. So let's say you went on a Europe trip with some friends and they live all over, and you want to catch up and watch a funny movie or any video of your choosing, you can do that and comment on it together like you're almost in person with them. Um, so for an example, just for this video's purpose, I am going to use this American Idol video that I had watched last night. So you click Add to Queue, and then you can select Done, and then say something about this video. So join me in watching this American Idol video. You can add some emojis. This video was actually pretty funny. She's quite a character if you want to check it out. And then this is kind of the cool part. If you click on friends and then hit more and specific friends, like I said, you can personalize who can watch the video with you. So like that Europe trip, let's say Erica was on the trip with me, and Aaron, and Abby. So then you hit Save Changes, and once you post it, you'll be in the watch party with those friends. And like I said, they can comment live with you as you're watching and kind of go from there. So it's definitely a cool way for you to connect with friends, or a company or business to use this platform as well if they're trying to promote something or whatever it may be. So I think this is definitely something that I may use, or any of you may find helpful in the future. So I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.